Very few people know this, because if they did, they'd be doing it, and they're not. It's never been easier to run a business online than it is today, to make money online than it is today. Never. Imagine getting yourself to a point where you can wake up to email notifications that you've made online sales in your sleep. How would that make you feel? In this video, I'm going to show you 6 steps to make that happen. Hey, don't miss this insane opportunity to finally stop trading time for money and start living the life you deserve. When you make your first sale online, you're gonna be over the moon excited. I know I was. I was like, oh my gosh, I made a sale in my sleep. And you know, not only does it prove that you have understood authority marketing, that you have set up automated income streams, it also proves that if you can make 1 sale, you can make 10 sales, 100 sales, or 1,000 sales. Step number 1 is identifying a profitable niche. A niche is a market, so this means that you're going to identify where is money already flowing. Watch the news, follow social media trends, use Google Trends to do your research, and ask yourself, where are people spending money right now? Step number 2, pinpoint a specific target audience. And now we're talking age, demographics, location, interests, etc. And match that market opportunity to that group of people. Click the website link below to follow the process on how to pinpoint your target audience. Step number 3, understand exactly what they want. What's their problem? What's the end result that they're looking for? Are they looking to change their lives? Are they looking for solutions to a specific problem? Are they looking for experiences, luxury products? You figure it out. Step number 4, step number 5 is going to be life-changing for you, so hold on for that, okay? Step number 4 is creating your specific brand and message to target that audience with the solutions to their problems. This is also a fun and creative process. Step number 5, launch a marketing system. This is going to be life-changing for you, okay? Because this is where you set up automated income streams. This is where you set up your authority marketing system. So when you set up your digital asset, it's gonna be making you money 24/7, 365 days a year on autopilot, but you have to do the work first. This system is gonna place offers in front of your audience. Hey, look at your own online behavior. You're shopping products all around the clock, right? 24/7, 365 days a year. Well, you just put money in the pocket of another online entrepreneur. You could be that online entrepreneur. Step number 6, promote your offers. So once you have the authority marketing system in place, you're gonna start to promote your offers to your audience. And maybe now you're thinking, well, I don't have an offer, I don't have a product, I don't know what to sell. Well, hey, you could get into dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Most big and small brands have an affiliate program that you can join. You could be selling world-class products to people in no time. They're already out there. All you need to do is join their affiliate programs and build your marketing system. All right, so click the website link below to learn more about how you can set your marketing system up right now.